guys! So a few weeks ago I uploaded a video where I tried to follow a 1960s makeup tutorial. You guys seem to really enjoy that one and you asked me to do, more of these kind of really old makeup tutorials. So today I thought it would be fun if we were to look at some beauty tutorials and kind of makeup videos from the 1930s and see what we can learn from those. I found a bunch on the same Glamour Days channel where I found the 1960s makeup tutorial. So we're gonna watch a few of those today and see if there's anything in there that we can use and any, helpful makeup and beauty tips. So let's get started with this first one. I have here a makeup tutorial from 1936. So let's take a look at that one.
Making up, whether after a tip or as part of the toilet, is an art if only one knows how. And continental beauty experts say that one must be able to size up a face as well. In other words, makeup is made to measure.
Wait. So they measured the size of her nose and then the forehead and nose to chin had to be the same size? What can I use to do this with my face? Be right back. I never thought I'd use this thing again after high school, but here we are apparently, so let's give this a try. Okay, one side was missing, so I inserted a toothpick in here. Now let's hope this works. So, okay, I'm gonna take my glasses off and give this a try. So I'm gonna measure my nose. It's about that long, I think. And then forehead seems to be the right size, and then I'm actually doing quite well on this weird proportion measuring thingy. Yay! Alright, so what are we supposed to do with that information? Let's take a look at the next bit of the video.
In other words, makeup is made to measure. With a perfect oval face, this triangle on the cheek marks the very limit of operations. When the forehead, nose and chin are of different lengths, the cheeky triangle is shaped accordingly, thus making up in makeup for what the face lacks in uniformity.
So I'm guessing that's for blush, right? So if your face is properly proportioned, you do one like that?
It's all rather touching, don't you think?
Most definitely, sir, most definitely. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's blush. Let's try that. So my limit of operations is right around here. So they're using a cream blush. Now the closest thing that I have to that is this liquid one, this cheek and lip tint by Benefit. So I'm gonna try out an image of that triangle here. I have to remember that I have to blend inside there as well, so maybe that much? That's a kind of a funny shape to apply blush in. Alright. Yeah, you know what? It's not bad actually. It's not bad at all. It's unconventional for modern standards, but I do think it looks quite pretty. I might do this more in the future. Okay, so let's see what else we have to say here.
The effect is seen in these two pictures of the same face. On the left, bad makeup, on the right, good.
She does look better on the right, but I can't see differences.
Now
really.
the lips. This is where we get warmed up to our subject. If the mouth is not so Cupid's bowish, and the lips are a teeny weeny bit heavy, pardon us ladies.
I love that! If your lips are not so Cupid's bowish. Okay, so how do you fix that?
You should slightly exaggerate the middle to form a V, and avoid colouring the extreme ends. With thin lips, where is that cat? The middle V must be enlarged to shorten the space under the nose, and the ends left severely alone again.
I love this man. Alright, so let's make my lips more Cupid bowish, shall we? According to this person, no matter if your lips are large or small, you shouldn't apply lipstick on the outer part of your lips. They applied lipstick straight from the tube, so I'm going to do the same thing. making the lips more Cupid's bowish. That's quite hard to do straight from the tube. They didn't mention anything about the lower lips, so I'm just gonna fill that in and then kind of stay away from the outside a bit, I guess. Alrighty, quite a dark lip, but hey, matches my shirt. Alright, so that is the end of this makeup tutorial. Oh, next up I have what I believe to be the earliest recorded video of a morning routine. So this was filmed in 1937 and it is presented by Constance Bennett, an actress from the time, so let's take a look. I need to work on my music in my videos, it's obvious. I woke up like this!
Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm going to be able to help you all with any problems you might have by showing you exactly how I go about my daily skincare myself. First, I use my cleansing cream.
I believe this is what we refer to as extra nowadays.
Plate, as it were.
Wow!
I like my particular brand of cleansing cream because for my temperamental skin it is neither too oily or too dry. And above all, it doesn't grow fuzz.
I love how she's cleansing around all the makeup she just woke up with.
35, you know. Your bath is ready. Thank you, Marianne.
She has an actual maid! There's a maid drawing a bath for her.
Just for a few minutes because it only starts stimulation. Remember I said stimulation is the basis of my skin treatment? Just like brushing your teeth is stimulation for your gums and makes your gums healthy, and brushing your hair is stimulation for your scalp and makes your hair strong and healthy, and oh, I could go on for hours.
Getting the blood flow, I always talk about that as well.
There. Now I'm almost ready for my mouth. Just take it off a little bit.
She's a lot more zero waste friendly than the 60s lady, I have to say. Using all these reusable cloths. Working around the makeup, very important.
Just a thin, thin layer is necessary. But it really starts deep circulation.
So that's cream number 3.
All ready, Miss Bennett? All right, Mary, I'll be with you in just a minute. Some girls wait until evening to take a bath. So, those girls can leave their masks on while they're preparing breakfast. Or even while they're drinking their morning coffee. Just between us, I've done that very thing when I tried to steal a few more minutes of sleep in the morning. But Miss Bennett, it's 7:45. Oh, all right. She's like an alarm clock, isn't she?
Okay, so we do have to remember this is almost 100 years old, but ooh. different times, guys. Actually, I was just gonna say that actually applying a face mask in the morning and then leaving it on while you have your breakfast is a pretty good idea. I usually do my face masks in the evening, but I'm not very kind of structural with them. I tend to forget or, you know, not apply them very frequently. So I think this is actually a pretty good idea. I have one face mask that is like super moisturizing. It's just like a thick cream. It looks very much like what she applied, like a thick cream that you just wipe off after 15 minutes. So that's something I might actually incorporate in just playing with my face proportion measurer here. Oh, moving on to makeup.
Now, I'd be lost without my glow base, because without clogging my pores, it allows my skin to breathe just as though it weren't there, and keeps my makeup intact for hours. This is very important to all of us women, because the only time that we're not on parade is the time we spend in front of our dressing tables, sometimes not even then.
Oh, they were different times.
Now my cream rouge. Lots of women think that cream rouge is very difficult to use, but maybe they're just lazy. Because once you use your glow base, you'll find that cream rouge is the only kind to use. It blends easily, and stays on. And now for my powder.
This lady is savage.
I only put a little all over my face because I like a sheen. And sometimes, on informal occasions, I don't use any powder at all, just my glow base. Gives my face a nice...
Glow base? What's a glow base? I'm imagining it's like a dewy foundation, or maybe it's like an illuminating primer like we have nowadays.
Now my lip...
Oh, that was a poor cut from that.
I'd like to say this about lipstick. For years, I bought every one I've ever heard about. But I either ate them all off with my food or left them on the cheeks of my son when I kissed him good night or good morning. Never did any part stay on me. Most discouraging. This one at least stays on, and I think perfection at any that exists. And remember that to be beautiful and natural is the birthright of every woman. And I wish you all loads and loads of loveliness and good luck.
Wow. Alright, so no makeup tips in there, which I'm pretty sad about. I feel like they cut bits from this video, and they may have cut out exactly when she was doing the makeup, except for a little lipstick tip at the end there. But that was hilarious. I am glad I have that in my life now. Okay, so I do believe there's one more. Oh, right! There is a makeup masterclass in here by Mr. Max Factor himself, which is really cool. So let's watch that one. Now that is a blank canvas if I ever saw one. Very 30s eyebrows. Ooh. I've done these on my channel a few times. I would just completely block out my own eyebrows and draw on these 30s ones. I'm not sure what I think of this look. I don't think it's a very good look. It wasn't that great in the 2000s either. Are they contouring? It looks like they're contouring. Some type of cream base, I think. Really hard to tell what they're doing actually. But it's so cool to see. I love how the makeup comes in paint tubes and like just like paint tubs and everything. So cool. No, I want to see what he's doing. Oh, alright, so there's a light cream and then a darker cream. This is like classic contour and highlighting. That's really cool. Ooh, falsies! Oh, she looks very, very 30s. Wow. Nice little smile going on there. She's nice and Cupid's bowish. Aw, that's lovely. I love the hair as well. Really nice. I'm gonna try that shape of like contour. Look really cool. So let me just go back to where it's on her. Okay, so it's going all the way from here, quite far down, and then up again towards the nose. Kind of in a circle like that. I'm doing a very good job with this actually, if I'm honest. But then again, I'm obviously not Max Factor. And I'm probably not using the right product either. But, oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no. This is not a good look. Whoops. I don't think I blended it out right. Well, it's not too bad, I guess, but there's so much color around here now. That was really, really cool to see, like actual Max Factor doing modeled makeup. Really nice. So let's see if we have any more 30s makeup tutorials in here. I'm pretty sure this was it. No, that was it. Oh wow, guys, I honestly feel so kind of lucky almost that I get to see this, because I feel like this is really unique material, and I'm just so grateful for Glamour Days for uploading this stuff to YouTube so that we can all see it. It is really, really cool to see actual vintage makeup in action, you know. Yes, I think I'm gonna end my video here. I hope you enjoyed learning some 1930s beauty tips with me. Remember, feeling natural and beautiful is every woman's birthright. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more historical beauty and lifestyle videos. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for the support, guys. There's another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!